Ever feel like AI just doesn't get you? You ask for one thing and it gives you something else. What if you could learn the secret to making AI work for you in just one day? That's what prompt engineering is all about. By tonight, you'll know how to guide AI to deliver exactly what you want. This guide is your step-by-step roadmap, no jargon, just practical steps. We'll start with basics, move to advanced techniques, and finish with your own mini project. Imagine creating marketing copy, code, or essays with just a few sentences. Prompt engineering bridges the gap between your ideas and AI's output. Grab a notebook and let's get started. By tomorrow, you'll have a new superpower. Ready? Let's dive in. So, what is prompt engineering? And why should you care? It's the art of crafting instructions that get the best results from AI. Think of yourself as a director and the AI as your actor. It needs clear direction. A good prompt is your script. A vague one leads to confusion. Mastering prompts lets you steer AI, turning you from a passive user into an active creator. This isn't just for techies. It's for anyone who writes, creates, or solves problems. Students, marketers, writers, prompt engineering amplifies your abilities. It saves time, boosts creativity, and makes you more effective. In a world where AI is everywhere, knowing how to talk to it is a real superpower. It's a meta skill that enhances everything else you do. Invest in this skill, and you'll stand out in the digital age. Welcome to your morning session. Today, we're setting the stage for your journey into the world of AI prompting. Whether you're brand new or just brushing up, this is where your foundation begins. Let's start with the basics. Before you can master advanced techniques, you need to understand the core building blocks of communicating with AI. A prompt is simply the instruction you give to an AI, question, command, or statement. It's how you tell the AI what you want, and it's the key to unlocking its potential. The best prompts are clear, specific, and provide context or examples. The more detail you give, the better the AI can understand and deliver what you need. For example, instead of write about dogs, try write a 100-word paragraph for a 5th grader explaining why dogs are man's best friend in a friendly tone. Notice how the second prompt gives the AI a clear audience, length, and style. All you need is a browser and a free AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. You don't need any special software or technical skills to get started. Your first task: experiment. Ask the same question in different ways and see how the AI responds. Try changing the wording, adding details, or specifying a tone. Notice how context and constraints change the output. The more information you provide, the more tailored and useful the response becomes. Great prompts have 4 parts: role, task, context, and format. Think of these as the ingredients for a successful conversation with AI. Try giving the AI different roles and formats: an email, a poem, a table. See how the output changes when you ask for a summary versus a story, or a list instead of a paragraph. Don't aim for perfection, just get comfortable with the basics. Remember, every expert started as a beginner, and practice is how you'll improve. Think of this like learning guitar chords. You need the fundamentals before you can play songs. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Experiment, make mistakes, and learn by doing. Don't be afraid to try new things or to get it wrong. Every attempt teaches you something valuable. This hands-on practice is the most important part of your learning today. Take notes, reflect on what works, and build your confidence step by step. Let's build your intuition, one prompt at a time. With each experiment, you're laying the groundwork for more advanced skills ahead. So let's dive in and start building your foundation together. Ready to level up? Whether you're just starting out or already comfortable with the basics, mastering advanced prompting techniques can take your AI skills to the next level. Let's dive into some powerful strategies that will help you get more accurate, creative, and reliable results from your AI tools. First up is few-shot prompting. This means giving the AI a few clear examples before you make your real request. By showing the AI what you expect, you set a pattern for it to follow. For example, you might show it how to turn statements into questions. Demonstrate the transformation a couple of times, then give it a new statement and see how well it applies the pattern. This technique is especially useful for tasks that require consistency or a specific style. Next, try chain of thought (COT) prompting. By adding phrases like, "Let's think step by step," you encourage the AI to break down its reasoning and show its logic. This helps the AI tackle complex problems, explain its answers, and often leads to more accurate and trustworthy results. Finally, remember that your first prompt is rarely perfect. Iteration is key. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust. Refine your prompt based on the AI's output. If the answer isn't quite right, try rewording your instructions, adding more context, or providing better examples. Each tweak helps the AI understand your intent more clearly, and you'll see improvements with every iteration. The real magic happens in this loop of prompting, analyzing, and refining. This is where you'll unlock the full potential of your AI. Spend some time today practicing these techniques. Try out different examples, push the AI with challenging tasks, and observe how even small changes in your prompts can lead to dramatically better results. The more you iterate and experiment, the more powerful and precise your prompts will become. So let's get started. Level up your skills and make your AI work smarter for you. Now it's time to put your new skills to the test. Let's dive into building your very first real-world AI project. We'll create a simple but powerful FAQ bot for a smart coffee mug called the Morning Spark. This hands-on project will help you understand how to turn product information into a helpful, interactive chatbot that can answer real customer questions. Start by gathering and listing the mug's key features. For example, it keeps your coffee hot for hours, has an 8-hour battery life, connects to a mobile app for temperature control, and is dishwasher safe. Think about what a customer might want to know, and make sure you include those details. Write all this information in a clear, organized document. This will become your AI's knowledge base. The more precise and complete your info, the better your bot will perform. Next, craft your main system prompt. For example, you're a helpful support agent for the Morning Spark. Answer questions using only the information below. If you don't know the answer, say so. Here's the info. Paste details. This prompt sets the rules for your AI and keeps its answers accurate. Now it's time to test your bot. Start by asking straightforward questions like, how long does the battery last? Or, what's the best way to clean the mug? Try other common questions, such as, can I put it in the dishwasher? And see how your bot responds. Don't stop there. Challenge your bot with trickier or more ambiguous questions to see how it handles missing or unclear information. This is where you'll really see how well your prompt works. If the answers aren't quite right, go back and refine your prompt or add more details to your knowledge base. Prompt engineering is all about iteration. Tweak your instructions until your bot gives clear, helpful answers every time. This is the heart of real-world prompt engineering. Define the AI's role, provide the right context, and keep improving through testing and feedback. Each adjustment brings you closer to a reliable, user-friendly chatbot. By the end of this process, you'll have a fully functional FAQ bot that can answer real questions about the Morning Spark. Congratulations! You've just built your first practical AI tool from scratch, a huge step forward in your journey. Take a moment to celebrate your progress. You're officially an AI creator now, and you've unlocked a whole new world of possibilities. Ready for more? Let's see what other amazing AI projects you can build next. Take a moment. Look at how far you've come in just one day. You learned what a prompt is and how to craft clear, effective instructions. You explored the 4 key parts of a great prompt role: task, context, and format. You practiced with real AI tools, seeing how small changes make a big impact. You mastered advanced techniques like few-shot and chain-of-thought prompting. Most importantly, you learned to iterate and refine for better results. You built a functional FAQ bot from scratch, applying everything you learned. This isn't just theory. You've experienced the full workflow professionals use. You're now an active collaborator with AI, not just a user. Be proud. This is just the beginning of your journey. You've gone from beginner to confident prompt engineer in a single day. You've learned, practiced, and built something real. But this is just the start. AI is always evolving, and so can you. Keep practicing. Use prompt engineering in your daily life, from emails to brainstorming. Join online communities to share and learn new techniques. Build your own prompt library for future projects. Stay curious and persistent. The more you experiment, the better you'll get. The skills you've gained today will only grow in value. The future is being built with these tools, and you're now one of the builders. Go create, explore, and enjoy your new AI superpower.